we're going to remove group seals and group showers from the group head. So it's a nut that comes out, really important to check the flow of the water on an LM group head. It comes down out of the head into here, and then the water disperses evenly around here outside those 4 holes that are on the outside of the nut, and then it flows onto the shower. So really important that we check that in here and those 4 holes are all clear to get even flow of water. So going to lever down the shower. As we can see, it's a bit dirty. Important to keep cleaning. So going to replace that shower, put that aside, and then I get my pick. Up here is where I've got my rubber seal, and I pry it out. It's brittle, and it's going to come out in lots of pieces, which means it's a little bit old. All hard metal up here, you're not going to break it, so do whatever you need to get it out. So got our new group seal and shower. Going to place this up here like so. Probably first give it all a bit of a wipe around. Got a bit of a leak from the gasket. And press it up like so. And then easiest to grab a group handle to actually pressure it into place. Rock it backwards and forwards. Like so, and then once I've got it in place, get my nut clear. Once it's all clean, I put it through my shower like so, and wind it up till it's finger tight, and finish it off. Now, it's important to go tight, but no need to be crazy. It needs to be easy enough to remove again. So once it's all tight, we've got water flowing and it looks like it's all good. There's how to replace a group seal.